Hello everyone, my name is Keith and welcome to Excel Training. The topics I will be teaching you about today are the basic layout of Excel, basic calculations and Excel's main uses in business. We'll start off by showing you the tabs across the top of Excel here. File is where you can save your document, open another document or start a new one, and view recent documents that you've been working on. Home is where you can change the font type, make it in bold, put it in italics, or change the color, something that will make it more easy to view for someone viewing it. You can also center align your text like I've done here. You can left align or right align it, whichever suits you. Insert, you can put a picture in flip art, and this is where I will go to show you how to make charts such as a pie chart, a bar chart, and also where I will show you how to make a pivot table. Page layout, you can change the theme, font, or colors, just something that will make it easier to view for someone viewing it. Orientation, it's at portrait at the moment, but you can also change it to landscape. Formulas, this is where all the formulas are stored and where you can get the formula that will suit the data you want to change. For example, financial, date and time, and lookup reference. Data, this is where you can put your Excel spreadsheet on the web or grab one off the web that will help you making your own. Review, you can check if all the spelling's right and add a new comment, for example. Just something that will make it easier to view for someone else looking at it. View is where you can change the page layout or make it full screen, which will give you something which will give you more space to view. You can also zoom in. We'll go to 200 for the time being, and that's it. And you can also use this bar down here to zoom in and out, which is way easier. And now we'll go on to basic calculations. The first one we will do is addition. You start every function with equals and open bracket, then using the arrow keys go over to the two you want to add, shift equals, which will give you the plus sign, down to 4, then close bracket and press enter. The answer should be equal to 6, and there it is. Equals, open bracket, over to 4, then minus sign, up to 2, close bracket. The answer should be equal to 2. Now we'll do multiplication. Equals, open bracket. You can also use your mouse to click on the two you wish to multiply. Shift 8, which will give you the star sign, down to 8, shift close bracket, enter, and the answer is 48. Now for division, we will divide 8 by 4. Equals, open bracket, sorry about that, equals, open bracket, over to 8, forward slash, which is the sign for division in Excel, and up to 4. Close bracket. The answer should be equal to 2, and there it is. Those are the basic calculations in Excel. Now I'll discuss some of the main uses of Excel in business. Excel can be used to build great charts, making data more visually pleasing for others viewing it. Using pie charts, graphs and cluster columns adds meaning to data which otherwise may just exist as row after row of numbers. These visualizations can add extra emphasis to business reports and persuasive marketing material. Basic accounting. Small businesses often use Excel as a basic accounting program or checkbook ledger. You can enter deposits and expenditures onto each row of the sheet as you would enter them into a check register. It makes it more efficient for viewing large amounts of data. Track product sales. Track product sales using Excel on a daily, weekly, monthly or quarterly basis. Collecting sales data onto an Excel spreadsheet lets you compare over time and spot upward or downward trends as they occur. That's it for today. Thanks for listening and I hope you learned something. Come back for the next video, which will be a bit more advanced.